Alright guys, so we have our parrots. They're outside now. As you can see, there are several types of parrots in here. And I've just met them for about a month and a half now. So let's have a close-up of them. There we go. This is Hamdan and Faydan, Cephalus parrots. This is our macaw parrot. The red one is Oba. My boss says they named him after Obama, so that's why they call him Oba. The other one, the blue and gold macaw, is laughing because he looks like have a laughing face. That's why they called him Laughing. I'm a little bit afraid of going near them, as you see. Oba, no, we're not quite close yet. So here are the other parrots. So we have ringneck parrots. Okay. We have an eclectus. Hello. We have the Amazon. We have ringneck parrot. Hi. We have a cockatoo. Hello. Say hello. Don't. Hello. Say hello. This one is a cockatoo, also the salmon crested cockatoo. What? Hello. You say hello. Yes. Now we have a sulfur crested cockatoo. Yes. You're good, right? Yeah. Now we have the small one. I don't know if this is a conure or pionitis or something. Up! Wait! Sometimes very naughty. You bit me again. And we have the parakeet. Oh, we also have Okay, we have the cockatoos again. We have the umbrella cockatoo on my right, and I think the other one is salmon-crested cockatoo. The two macaws. The red one is, they say, is the true parrot. The blue and gold is what I think, or what I have thought, as an actual parrot. When I first arrived here, I never thought that there were many types of parrots. I only knew what I thought, this one, laughing. I guess they're relaxed, a little bit relaxed now. When inside the cage, they're actually so loud. I don't actually understand what they're saying because it's in Chinese. See? In Cantonese. The only thing I know is hello, mama and papa. That's the only thing Chinese, English that I understand. The rest, it's in Cantonese. Yes, you said papa, right? Papa, yeah? Yes. This guy is always following. I don't know if this is a girl or a boy, male or female, but he always follows me. And sometimes, when a bird flies towards me, this tends to fly towards me also and then bite. That's why I'm a little bit nervous whenever he comes near. Hi. They're a little bit. Hello. I also thought that all parrots can talk, but apparently not all parrots can talk. There are certain types of parrots that can talk. Just like the macaws, pretty much large birds. And experts don't advise to get this if you are a novice or just starting out to take care of, or you want to get a bird, pet bird, because they need a little bit more of an attention or care. And this one, this is the good bird, the good one, the first one actually that I was able to handle. And here comes the gala parrot again. He's scary to fly towards the camera. Towards the phone. Oh, see? Ah. Hi. Apparently they don't talk. Here's the eclectus again. Hello, eclectus. Eclectus parrot. They're actually gentle. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Huh. Hey. And their names are in Chinese, that's why I have a hard time memorizing their names. Only Oba and laughing. Now the African greys, their insides, I'll show you later or in another video. For the time being, look at the birds. Hi! Yay! This cockatoo, silver crested, this is a little bit hostile towards me. He has attacked me once. When the owner was present. I guess he was protecting his owner. And this is Oba again, the true parrot. Macaw, golden blue parrot, or golden blue macaw. Hi, laughing, laughing, laughing. So there you go. Different types of parrots that I'm taking care of. It takes time for me to, or for the parrots to be able to not be afraid of me. Some are already accustomed to me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go. Step up. Come on, come on. Storage space. All right. Okay. Now, thanks for watching.